provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. But someone says that it's difficult to make a city a green environment. But if we connect and collaborate together, nothing is impossible. Maganahay nga di! Welcome to my city! From the home of one of the most beautiful bays in the world, from the province of Davao Oriental, city of Mati.
Why do I hold on to you?
Mati City is a fifth-class city and capital of the province of Davao Oriental. It is located on the southeastern side of Mindanao in the Philippines. Mati City offers beautiful landscapes and a number of beautiful resorts. Because of its tropical nature and beaches, tourism is a rapidly growing business. The provincial capitol building and park arises atop the hill, commanding a fantastic view of the Pujada Bay. Pujada Bay is a bay on the Pacific coast of the southern Philippine island of Mindanao. Because of its beauty, the Pujada Bay is considered as the jewel of Davao Oriental. The bay has been declared a marine protected area. It boasts thousands of species of sea life and has been considered as among the richest bays in Southeast Asia. In fact, Pujada Bay has been recently named officially as one of the most beautiful bays in the world, together with Mayo Bay and Balete Bay. Hence, it is a proof of how beautiful our waters here in our beloved city. Guangguang Mangrove Park is one of the places where I spend my long weekend. It is part of the 21,000-hectare marine protected area in Pujada Bay Protected Landscape and Seascape, located less than 2 km away from Davao Oriental State College of Science and Technology, Guangguang Campus. Thanks to the prop roots, stilt roots, and nomatophores of the mangroves for diligently trapping the sediments, plastics, and debris. Without the mangroves, definitely we will not enjoy the clean water suitable for swimming and perhaps source of living for the subsistent fisher folks settled along Guangguang and Maitom communities. Other locations that offer a bird's eye view of the city is the Badas View Deck, where tourists can directly see and enjoy the magnificent beauty of the well-known sleeping dinosaur in the city. Mati has always been known as a beach destination, with foreigners flocking to the city to enjoy what its beaches has to offer. The Hican is one of the most popular beach destinations in Mati, with its 2-kilometer pure, fine white sand shore. It has become a prime destination for surfers and skimboarders. As a matter of fact, skimboarding, surfing, and frisbee sports have established a wide fandom among young locals, with the Hican being the favorite hub for tournaments in the region. The city has becoming more competitive when it comes to waste segregation, where they have a collaboration to every leaders of the community by giving knowledge about segregation. The city of Mati has always been a home for me, not only because I was born in the city, but also because I always feel the comfort whenever I'm here in my beloved hometown. Looking at the wonderful tourist destinations in our city will always give a healing effect from the struggles and challenges that I am facing in life. I cannot contain my happiness now that I am witnessing how Mati City become a progressive city all over the years. because of the dedicated effort of the city leaders and the collaboration by its people. My advocacy is about sustainable development and footprint awareness of marine biodiversity. The concept of sustainable development can be interpreted in many different ways. But at its core is an approach to development that looks to balance different and often competing needs against an awareness of the environmental limitations we face in society. People are the primary concept of this advocacy. We need to create an awareness program by which the people may able to know the life and the marine biodiversity. It is an advocacy would like to illuminate the mind of the people on how they act in the land and beaches that they are visiting. Its footprint awareness where we need to foster discipline and knowledge to the mankind. Footprint simply means the impact of human activities on the globe and the amount of resources necessary to produce the goods and services necessary to support a particular lifestyle in terms of the area of biologically productive land and water. As a candidate of Miss Earth Philippines 2020, I would like to continue in upholding the importance of awareness about the marine biodiversity in Mati City. I would like to enrich a sustainable development through the people and visitors in Mati City by establishing a marine protected area where we need to conduct biophysical inventory in area through the help of the city tourism and other organizations in the city, and involve a social assessment to assess the viability of the marine life. The collaboration and determination, together with the city leaders and different organizations and the whole people of Mati City, we can make a better place to live in. I am Riza Jane Magana Moreno, representing from the natural wonders and white sand beaches from the beautiful city of the province of Davao Oriental, city of Mati. And I am a woman of the earth.